Uh, so, um, I got I set up my day trading, um, or not my day trading, but my paper trading stuff. And let's just say that I'm glad that this is fake money. Uh, yeah, low key cooked. Not even gonna lie. Uh, uh, face up there. Let me put my face up there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Am I about to break even? Holy moly. Am I about to break even? Please. Oh yeah. So you guys haven't seen my setup yet. So this is like this is the paper trading menu. And basically, there's a bunch of different stuff. Um, so yeah, I'm still kind of learning it at the same time. But to my understanding, this area right here is the watch list. And what the watch list is basically just all the stocks that I ever want to trade. Um, it's like it's all bookmarked, and when I click on one, it loads the page with that stock and everything, switches over to that stock. Holy crap, let me make a stop loss real quick. Um, no, it's gonna ride. Okay. Um, yeah, this is the options window. Basically what this is where I buy all of the options. And an option is the contract that allows me to buy, holy crap, to buy shares of stock at a certain price. Come on, get up there, please, please, please. Um, so yeah, this is my options window. Um, this is where I buy the stocks. This is my chart. Basically, the chart is real-time data of the prices of the stock as it changes in the market. This is my ladder. It's just another way to visualize it, and it shows me the volume, which is the amount of people and contracts that have been made at that price today. Um, some orders that I made, not good, very not good. My account right now, my this is all fake money, but yeah, as you can see, I first day, Oh, I should have taken a stop. Okay. Um, this is my Turbo Trader. And what Turbo Trader is basically the interface that allows me to buy and sell um, the option contracts that I want. So I can buy contracts and sell them at different prices. This is my working orders, which right now I only have one, and it's in effect, which is why it's in the positions tab. And a position is basically, to my understanding, any foot that you have in the market currently. So currently I have a call option going, um, which is why I have this position currently open. Um, my call option, holy crap, it's going. Please. Yes. Yes. Okay. Do I take profit? Okay. If I take profit, I'm gonna sell two. Yes. Okay. Two sold. Oh my gosh. I just did that. Okay, 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 okay. Now I switch that to two, switch it to two. Okay, okay. Back to chart, back to chart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's going up, please. See, I knew holding. I knew holding was going to take. Uh, bro, this is freaking hard. I suck at this now, but I'm gonna get better over time. I know that. But yeah, so I guess I don't know. Looking back at this, trying to make sense of it. Uh, Switching my chart. I'm just gonna hold on the ladder. So right now I'm like dual wielding the screen right now. Um, so on my left I have my trading view open with my chart. And that's gonna allow me to be able to watch both at the same time. Right now I'm going to sell freaking where's my stop? Okay. I'm going to place a stop. I'm not gonna place a stop. I'm gonna place a stop at sorry for being buffalo. I'm gonna place a stop at break even. And a stop. Oh, I don't want to. Okay. Oh, I do want to. Frick. Um, oh, get that in, get that in. A stop is basically oh, did I get stopped out? Yay! Yay! Okay. Stop is basically if the price reaches a certain limit below the or at or below your stop threshold, then um it'll automatically sell all your positions. So if you see over here, all the positions that I had, which is just one, but it is now gone. And that's because the stop loss kicked in and got rid of all my stuff for me. But bruh, holy moly, is this harder? Like way harder than I thought this was going to be. Like this is actually insane. And I'm very overstimulated. There's a lot of things going on. Um, and look at that. Chart's going up again. Holy crap. See, but it's like all of this stuff right here, like none of this makes sense to me, you know? Because like one could argue that this is a hammer, right? And a hammer is just a type of candle. And usually a hammer means a switch in the opposite direction or a reversal. So as we're on a downtrend here, um, oh, I can draw. Oh, that's so sick. Um, that's a magnet. Um, yeah, but since this is like a downtrend right here, right? So this hammer would indicate a possible reversal of the trend, meaning that it would go from a downtrend to a possible uptrend. Not a guarantee, but a possible uptrend. And so I guess, yeah, that's fair. One could argue that this is almost a three, they call it three soldiers. which is basically just three positive candles. But I think this one is too small to be considered a like a strong candle. Um, and we get another. I forget what this is called. I forget if this is a hammer or a star or a or something. I don't know. I don't even know. But yeah, and then we get more upward pressure. So yeah, it seems like this was a hammer, a good hammer. And it's going up. See, this would be more of a three soldiers for me. Three strong bullish candles. Um, oh my gosh. So I don't think we're gonna have enough time because the market is gonna close in literally 2 minutes. But yeah. Oh, okay, okay. I should have known. Wow, this is kind of cool. Okay, okay. I'm gonna show this because I think this is cool. So this right here, right? This this candle right here is a gap. Um, yeah, it's called a gap. And that's because the candle above it and below it have no interlapping. Interlapping? Overlapping, is that the word? Um, so basically that means that there's a gap in price as it just kind of just skipped, along. Um, so eventually what this means, at least that's like what I've been hearing, is that when you get a gap, usually like most of the time it'll get filled. Um, so you can always bet on it getting filled. And I didn't I didn't look at that before, but yeah, I mean it would make sense. There's a high selling over here and there's a gap. And once the gap is done, buyers are going to come and step in and fill the gap, I think. Um, so like overall, since the gap is here, you could draw like a line across. And so this is going to come fill up the gap and continue upwards, potentially. Or it could be a fair value gap, but I don't know. The market's gonna close like after this candle. I think the market is closed already. Yeah, the market is closed. Sucks. But a fair value gap is same thing, the gap, but when you draw the line, as soon as a candle touches a little bit of the gap, it'll reverse back to the opposite. So since it's coming downwards, it'll come out to fill the gap. It touches the gap, but it doesn't like land inside the gap. So it reverses and comes down, um, to my knowledge. Um, but yeah, shoot, holy crap. Um, I lost a good amount of money today. A very healthy chunk of change. Yeah. Oh, bro, if anybody knows how to trade, if anybody who watches this knows how to trade, please contact me because this can't be happening on the daily, you know what I'm saying? Like this is insane. Uh, um, but in terms of yesterday or last night, after I made the video, I kind of just learned how to make this. It took me a while, but what is it? Oh my gosh, I can move myself. Yo, it's actually sick. Um, I don't know if I like me. Can I shorten me? Mm. I can make little me. Ah, ooh, I like that. Little me. Um, yeah, but so basically I learned um how to set all this up, kind of learned how to operate them, what they all mean, how to connect them to each other. And yeah, took me kind of a long time, but I mean, what can you do? So, but yeah, I gotta figure this out because I cannot be dropping $400 a trade. That's not, it's not good. It's not good at all. Um, so yeah, low key, I think, um, I think that might be it for me today. Um, goal for tomorrow, try again. I guess I'm gonna keep trying and keep making, you know, progress. It's all fake money, which is good. Um, so I can get used to, you know, making the trades. And I think right now I'm just gonna get good at like the process. I'm not really worried about making the right trades. That can come later. Um, but I think right now the important thing is me learning the interface. So learning like just how to be quick, just in case things change quickly. Um, Also just working on my decision making skills on when to, you know, when to make my stop loss or when to sell something, when to buy something. I think that will be important. So I should practice that. And then obviously like with more experience, the accuracy of my trades and of my positions will be um will be better the more I practice. So I'm not too bummed, but like definitely definitely a wake-up call for sure. Because like I have no right losing $400 in my first trade. Like, it's when you think about it, I I'm dumbfounded. It's crazy. But yeah, I mean, yeah, plan for tomorrow is to um practice some more. I'm hoping to get a winning trade, but like I said, no biggie if I don't. I'm just trying to get good and be seamless, consistent through working the interface. Uh, so yeah, I think if that's it, leave a like and comment down below, and I will see y'all in the next one.